Okay, so as mentioned before, you can actually take your photos and upload them to Google Plus, and if they are a certain size, you have unlimited space to upload photos, and also if it's less than 15 minutes of video, you can upload that for free, and I'll repeat, for free. So I think it's a good thing to learn that, especially into photography, that you have a lot of photos, and then also it will give you access to all of your photos no matter where you are, and you can actually share fairly easy. So how do you do this? Well, very simple. It's just that at first you'll have to go to photography class, and right onto the home page you'll see over here says PS, which means like Photoshop, and Action. First thing to do is just like if you click onto this, it will bring you to this empty page. So what you do afterwards, you click onto download, and it will bring you, I've already done it twice, so this is the second time I do that. You'll see the resize action. For the first part, it's say show into the folder. So now you'll see like it's into your local disk, into the data C drive, and also it's into the downloads, as you see over here. What you want to do probably is just to make sure that you remember where it's going to be, or always having access to it. I would highly recommend you use this over here, probably in the photography lab. You'll say data L drive, not data D. So choose, like, don't forget to create your folder. We'll talk about that also. And over here I created a folder. It says action. So what I would do is just click onto this and just drag it into the action. Okay, and for myself, I already done it. Okay, so there we go. There's where it's going to be. Why are we doing this? Very simple. You'll see that when you're going to come after taking your photos, here's what I would like you to do. First part is just that you take your photograph from either your SD card or the USB, and you download them into a folder, into the data L drive. I would select your name, and then into that folder create two folders. One that says images, the other one says resize. Why did I put 001 and 002? It's because they'll become right at the top of my list. Okay, so 001 and 002. So I just put some pictures over here just as a default over here in this guys, okay, just to see what it would look like. So there's my 3 photos. That's what I'm looking for. After you have your photos and images downloaded to the images, the resize, there should be nothing in there. Okay, so I'll go into the Photoshop. Very simple. If you don't know where Photoshop is, go into your start menu and you'll see, whoops, Adobe Master Collection CS5. Click onto this and there'll be Adobe Photoshop CS5.1. After you've done that, it will upload. When you are done uploading, what you want to do, the first thing is just that you want to install that action. Okay, it's fairly simple. It's just a matter of clicking and letting it go. So over here, what I'm going to do is that if you don't see this action panel over here, very simple, go to Windows and it says action, or press Alt F9. Click onto this, this will pop up. Okay, so now you'll go and get the download, the action download that I just told you about. So how to do that? Very simple. Click on this little tab over here and it says load action. Click onto this, go back to, you remember where you put it, into your data D drive, data L for me, data D for me, but data L for you. Open that up under my folder name, and then under my action folders, there it is. Click onto this and it says load. After you've done that, it will appear like I did cancel because I already did it. Okay, so this is the action over here that's going to create it. It doesn't matter if the photos are horizontal, landscape we call, or vertical, what we call portrait. It will resize it to the maximum width that Google Plus would let you upload the photos for free. Okay, so that's the main thing. After you have this, very simple, it's just like you click onto this and open that up and it says resize Google. Press onto play and it will ask you, oh, the command fit image is not currently available. Okay, so go to continue. Yeah. Let me try that again.